Hey everyone, after purchasing Instadoodle, I couldn't wait to dive in. I've been using it for a while now and want to share my experience. I'm excited about how it can help with content creation, especially for anyone interested in creating whiteboard-style videos without ongoing fees. Have you used any text-to-video or whiteboard tools before? This could be a great side hustle or way to increase business revenue. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If for Instadoodle, I was frustrated with whiteboard animation tools that were either too expensive monthly or too complicated. As an entrepreneur trying to scale a small business, I was tired of paying for tools without seeing results. This is a common hurdle for bootstrapping a startup. Have you faced the same issue? Were you searching for something simpler and more affordable for your online business ideas? Then I found Instadoodle's one-time fee, no more monthly charges. It gave me everything I needed to create professional-looking whiteboard videos. The interface was easy to learn, and I was creating videos quicker than I expected. For anyone exploring startup funding options or looking to build business credit, a tool like this is an excellent investment. I was skeptical, but it's been a huge improvement for my content. Does Instadoodle's one-time fee sound like what you've been searching for to help with your business growth strategies? Instadoodle makes creating animations easy. There's a simple drag and drop feature, a variety of backgrounds and images, and you can sync text to video or voiceovers. I loved the freedom to adjust my videos and organize everything on the timeline. If you've tried other tools, how did they compare? Was the learning curve steep, or could you dive right in to start a business? Creating videos is not just about the final product, it's about what these videos can do. They can help you connect with an audience and grow your brand. With Instadoodle, I felt like I was creating content that could truly make an impact. It's empowering to have this creative freedom at such a low cost. For me, it's about sharing something meaningful that resonates with others. It's a great way to generate passive income in the long run. What kind of content do you want to create, and how will it help you achieve financial independence? I'd love to hear from you. If you've used Instadoodle or are considering it, what are your thoughts? Drop them in the comments and let's talk. I'm happy with my decision to try Instadoodle. It's made a big difference in how I create content, and I'm eager to see how others are using it. Remember, this is just my experience. It's about finding what works for you, whether you're looking for business funding, grants for entrepreneurs, or a business loan. Feel free to share your thoughts. We can all learn from each other's journeys. Thanks for watching. Discount Instadoodle link is in the description. Help support. Here's what's next.